Hi, I'm Janet, a professional home economist. I'm here to show you how to take stubborn stains out of your pots and pans. As you can see, I already have a bad stain here from pasta sauce. All you need to clean this is a little bit of water, some baking soda, and a sponge, or if it's really stubborn, a Spire sponge, and some gloves to protect your hands when you're cleaning. The first thing you want to do with this kind of stain is add your baking soda. And you're just going to sprinkle it on very generously onto the bottom of the pan. Take your water and just add it. And you want to make sure you use enough water because we are going to heat it up for a little while. We want to bring this up to a simmer and let it simmer for at least a half an hour. Once it's done that, take it right off the heat and let it sit for at least a couple of hours. If it depends on how bad the stain is. If it's really bad, you want to let it sit overnight. Our pot is now cooled off and it's been sitting for a half an hour. I'm going to try and clean it now. I'm just going to take the water and pour it off. And as you can see, it has dislodged a lot of the burnt on stuff. So I'm going to try and clean it. I'm putting on my gloves to protect my hands. I'm going to add a little bit more baking soda as well, because that adds it a little bit of an abrasive. As you can see, the burnt on food is coming right off. I'm just going to use the soft side of the sponge now to get the rest of the burnt food out. All I need is a quick rinse and it's ready to use again. If you have any questions, give us a call or go to our website.